What is pitch? Every sound you hear has a frequency. Pitch represents the frequency of a sound. Put simply, pitch is really just another word for frequency, meaning higher or lower. Let's take a look at the piano. Choose any key to the far left of the keyboard and gradually go up or to the right, playing random keys as you go. Notice that as you go up the keyboard, the sound gradually gets higher or the pitch gets higher. Now do the opposite. Start at the right of the keyboard and gradually go down or to the left, playing random keys as you go. Notice that as you go down the keyboard, the sound or pitch gradually gets lower. Now play two keys of the same, for example. Notice that even though they sound the same, they are both at different pitches. One is higher than the other. Try this yourself. Pick any key and play the same key at different places on the piano, listening to the change in pitch.